What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you as you can see, I sold my house, but I'm gonna be building a new one, and here is my car. But today I'm gonna be showing you just a house that you can start with. It doesn't take much space, it's not ugly, it's and yeah, so let's just get started, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you'll enjoy it because it will be super small, and enjoy watching this video. Alright guys, as you can see, we're done. This took me actually not a really big while. So inside this house you have a TV that you can turn on, you can sit on the sofa, you can press on the TV. Wait. Yeah, you can, so you can boost your mud. So as you can see, your phone can get up, and that's good. The next thing good about this, it's only worth like this much cash. Well, is that a lot? Nope. So I do recommend it a bit, and also, well, it doesn't, but minus 25,000 because of this thing which costs. So if we would take this out, this would actually cost much less, but because I have this, it costs much more. And oh, I also forgot to delete that roof. So yeah, and and here you can, like, if you don't want to sleep, you can just here boost up your energy. You can go to sleep. You have a bed where to sleep. You have your poop. You have where to brush and wash your hands, brush your teeth and wash your hands. You have where to make food. As you can see, I'm now baking hot dogs. I'm making hot dogs. So yeah, you can make these hot dogs, and I think comment down if you like this house, and like up to this video if you did enjoy. And yeah, so I think this is it for this video. And oh, and I'll tell you that these hot dogs can make your hunger. See, what else do you need? Just for a starter house, like you're a poor person, you can build this house. It's cheap, I would say. I don't know how much it costs, but take away 25,000 from that, and some like 400 or no, like 100 from that. Yeah, that would actually be cheap. So yeah, and I don't know what the thing bills are, but I think they are cheap as well. So yeah, and yeah, if you did enjoy, please subscribe and smash that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow, maybe in a new video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next